We're back to work on the VROD. It's been about 4 days. I had to wait for parts for Harley to come in, which is dealer down the road, Buddy Stubbs Harley. Those guys are great. They go out of the way to get parts for me. They're just one of the last family-owned Harley businesses around. I think there may be one other in Arizona. Everything else is owned by these big companies, and it's a horror show what some of the things I see and how they treat people. But that's a whole nother story. Maybe we'll do a video on it one day. Anyway. Parts are in, rubber grommets, drain plug, some of the nuts I needed. But anyway, that's the deal. I'm going to try to get this together and hopefully get this running today. So let's get going. Well, we're pretty much done. Got a lot of time in this. I'm probably into it for about, I don't know, 15, 16 hours. The motor mount was definitely an issue. The cooling system, it looks like the radiator is not leaking, which is great. I don't see any fluid. I can see where the drain is. There is drain nipple itself that's part of the radiator is kind of pushed in. So whether they dropped that at the factory or, I don't know, that's where it was leaking from. So I'm not really sure what happened there, but it looks like I don't have any leaks at this time, which is great. Other than that, she's in pretty good shape. Let's start her up. Listen to this beautiful VROD. All right, sounds good. Let's get her cleaned up. We'll take her for a test ride. Let's take this 2006 VROD for a ride.